Hey everyone, ever gotten stuck with a giant list of job titles and wished there was a faster way to organize them? Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into JobtitlesAI, a handy tool that uses machine learning to categorize job titles for you. JobtitlesAI works by analyzing the meaning and context behind a job title. So whether you have it listed as software engineer or coding wizard, JobtitlesAI can sort them into two key buckets. Field, like sales or IT, and position, such as executive or assistant. This lets you prioritize your leads and target them with the most relevant messages. Now, how do you use JobtitlesAI? There are a few ways. You can upload a spreadsheet with your list of job titles, and JobtitlesAI will categorize them within the spreadsheet itself. If you use HubSpot for managing your contacts, JobtitlesAI even has a handy extension that lets you qualify your entire CRM with a single click. And the best part? JobtitlesAI offers a free trial with 50 credits, so you can try it out before you commit. Plus, they support multiple languages and prioritize data security. So, say goodbye to the days of manually sorting through job titles. JobtitlesAI is here to automate the process and make your lead qualification a breeze. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to JobtitlesAI.